Most people think AI is just a fun toy. They use it to write emails or generate funny pictures. But what if I told you that there are AI tools right now, in 2025, that can actually make you real money, almost on autopilot? And the scariest part? Most people have no idea they even exist. No special skills needed, no expensive equipment, no degree, just the right tools. Used the right way. Today, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can literally make you money automatically, and how people are already using them to build side incomes, and in some cases, full businesses. Let's start with the first one. First up, ChatGPT and Canva. By themselves, they are powerful, but when you combine them, they can replace an entire content creation team. Here's how people are actually using them to make money. ChatGPT is used to instantly generate social media captions, ebooks, lesson plans, business documents, website content, marketing copy, product descriptions. Then those words are taken over to Canva, where they're transformed into real sellable digital products like planners, notebooks, Instagram templates, business cards, printable guides, YouTube thumbnails, entire ebooks. People are then selling these digital products on Etsy, Payhip, Gumroad, their own websites, social media. And here's the crazy part. Once it's created, it sells over and over again automatically. Some people are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month just from templates made with AI. And most of it was generated in a single afternoon. Tool number 2, OpusClip. The second money tool is OpusClip. This one is a secret weapon for social media creators. It takes a long video, like a podcast, an interview, or a YouTube video, and automatically cuts it into short, viral clips. These clips are perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook ads. And here's where the money comes in. Many creators hate editing, so people are charging $50, $100, even $200 per video just to run someone's video through OpusClip and send them the clips. No editing skills, no camera, no filming, no talking, just AI. You can offer this as a service to YouTubers, influencers, businesses, coaches, or podcasters. This is one of the easiest AI side hustles right now. Next up is Durable AI, and this one is dangerous in a good way. Durable creates full professional websites in less than 1 minute. You simply enter a business type, choose a location, click Generate, and boom, a full website appears instantly with a homepage, services, contact page, design, images, text, layout. People are using this to build websites for local businesses, restaurants, contractors, real estate agents, personal brands, freelancers, and they're charging between $150 to $1,000 per website. Some even charge monthly maintenance fees, and the client will never know it was built by AI. Tool number 4, Suno AI. This one surprises a lot of people. Suno AI can generate full songs with vocals in seconds. No microphone, no instruments, no studio, no music knowledge required. People are using Suno to create background music, meditation music, YouTube intro songs, TikTok sounds, YouTube playlists, ambient tracks for studying and relaxing. They then upload them to YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok sound libraries, streams, ads, licensing, royalties. Some channels using only AI-generated music are reaching millions of views. Tool number 5, Runway and Pika. The last tools are Runway and Pika. These are AI video generators. You can type a sentence like, "futuristic city at night with flying cars," and it will literally generate a video from text. This is being used to create AI YouTube channels, story videos, motivational videos, cinematic clips, product ads, short films. Many people are charging clients to generate short ads and visuals using only these tools. No cameras, no actors, no expensive editing software, just AI imagination. And these were 5 AI tools that can make you money automatically in 2025. If you want a step-by-step tutorial for any one of these tools, comment Part 4 down below. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Simplified. I upload new AI money tools every week.